All right, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the Vtec solenoid on a 2003 Acura RSX. Very simple, a couple bolts, and then you're all set and done. If you haven't already, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And we'll go ahead and start this video after the intro. All right, so first things first, Vtec solenoid is going to be in the back of the motor. So right here, that little shiny spot right there, this guy, that's going to be our Vtec solenoid. That's going to be our whole assembly. The reason why we're replacing it, it's under warranty, and then the gasket I think was bad or something. I don't know if the unit is cracked itself or my customer didn't put it on right. So normally you would have something around right here that would be clipped in. Let's see if you can see this. There's like a little hole right here where my finger's at. Now you can either cut it, break it, however you want. I mean, if you want to do it the professional way, get a pick and pick in between there to pop out the clip, and then when you insert it back in. So the clip would be looking like this. So as you can see right there, you would squeeze one tab right there and then the other one right there. So as you're pulling back, squeeze each tab. So you're going to do one at a time. So do one side and then do the other side while you're pulling back, and it'll pop right out. This one won't fit, so obviously we can't use that. All right, so I'm going to access the Vtec solenoid from up on top, but I'm going to actually show the recording from up down below so you can see how I can actually take off the solenoid. So when taking off the solenoid, make sure you have something to catch whatever little excessive amount of oil that's coming out. And then right up there, as you can see, you're going to have those three bolts, those three 10mm bolts. So we're going to go ahead and take those off. There is two connectors up there. I will show that too. All right, so for this connector right here, that's actually on the Vtec solenoid itself, we're just going to push in and then pull right out. And then there we have it. And then there's one more right there. Same thing. We're just going to go ahead and push in and pull out. And there we have it. Now we can go ahead and take off those three bolts that are down below. And then right there, make sure you clean up your mating surface. So we're gonna get a brake cleaner and a rag. Spray the rag with brake cleaner, and then go ahead and wipe that whole surface, that mating surface right there. So we just wanna clean up all of that area where the three holes are at. As you can see right here, obviously our gasket was the issue, that it was up on top that was just broken like this. I'm going to replace the whole Vtec solenoid just because it's under warranty, so why not? All right, so we're going to go ahead and clean up our area, and then we'll get back to the video. All right, so we're going to go ahead and install this bad boy. Doesn't matter which bolt you start off with, but I'm going to start off with the one all the way to the left side of it. So a little tip right there between these two bolts, you see how there's like the little Allen head type of style? You need to make sure that plate sits over that. If it doesn't sit over it, then you're not fully seated in, and it's gonna loosen up later on down the road. Just so you're aware of that. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and connect our connectors. First, we're gonna do the oil pressure sensor switch, which is right here on this little corner. I know my hand's in the way. push it into the clip, and then now we're going to do the Vtec solenoid itself. And then push that until it clips. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future, and thanks for watching.